In the quest for a healthier lifestyle, consuming low-calorie foods is often a critical component. Vegetables are an excellent source of essential nutrients, fiber, and vitamins, making them a staple in any balanced diet. This article highlights the top 13 vegetables with extreme low-calorie content and provides simple, delicious meal preparation ideas for each, ensuring you can enjoy nutritious meals without compromising on taste or portion size. 1. Celery, 10 calories per 100 grams. Celery is a hydrating and fiber-rich vegetable that's incredibly low in calories. It's an excellent snack option when paired with low-fat dips like hummus or used as a base for a filling salad. To prepare a celery-based meal, try a refreshing celery and cucumber salad with a lemon dill dressing. Recipe: thinly slice 4 large celery stalks and 1 cucumber. Mix in a bowl with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill. Add salt and pepper to taste. Top with a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese for extra flavor and protein. 2. Radishes, 16 calories per 100 grams. Radishes are a crunchy, peppery vegetable that's perfect for adding a zesty kick to salads or as a topping for sandwiches. For a quick and easy meal, prepare a radish and avocado toast with a sprinkle of chia seeds. Recipe: slice 2 medium radishes and half an avocado. Spread the avocado onto 2 slices of whole grain bread. Top with radish slices, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Drizzle with a little balsamic vinegar for an extra tang. 3. Cucumbers, 16 calories per 100 grams. Cucumbers are mostly water, making them a great low-calorie choice. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to sandwiches. For a filling meal, make a cucumber and chickpea salad. Recipe: slice 1 cucumber and mix with 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas. Add 1 chopped tomato, 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, and 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Dress with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. 4. Arugula, 25 calories per 100 grams. This leafy green has a peppery flavor that adds depth to salads and sandwiches. Try it in a light arugula and strawberry salad. Recipe: in a large bowl, toss 2 cups of arugula with 1 cup of sliced strawberries. Top with 1/4 cup of crumbled goat cheese and 1/4 cup of toasted almonds. Drizzle with a homemade balsamic reduction for a sweet and tangy finish. 5. Spinach, 23 calories per 100 grams. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients and incredibly versatile. Enjoy it in a simple spinach and feta omelette for a satisfying breakfast or brunch. Recipe: whisk 2 eggs and season with salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan and add a handful of fresh spinach leaves. Cook until wilted, then pour in the egg mixture. Sprinkle with crumbled feta cheese and cook until set. Fold the omelette in half and serve with a side of whole grain toast. 6. Broccoli, 34 calories per 100 grams. Broccoli is not only low in calories but also packed with fiber and vitamins. Steam it and add it to your favorite pasta dish for a healthier twist. Recipe: cook 200 grams of whole grain pasta according to package instructions. Steam 2 cups of broccoli until tender. Toss the pasta and broccoli with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese and serve. 7. Bok choy, 13 calories per 100 grams. This Chinese cabbage is low in calories and rich in antioxidants. It's perfect for stir-fries and soups. Recipe: heat a wok with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 minced garlic clove. Add 2 chopped bok choy heads and stir-fry for 2-3 minutes. Serve with your favorite lean protein, like tofu or chicken, and a side of brown rice. 8. Mushrooms, 22 calories per 100 grams. Mushrooms are a great meat alternative and add flavor and texture to many dishes. Make a creamy mushroom risotto for a comforting, low-calorie dinner. Recipe: cook 1 cup of arborio rice according to package instructions. Sauté 2 cups of sliced mushrooms in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 minced garlic clove. Stir in 2 cups of vegetable broth and cook until rice is tender and creamy. Top with chopped parsley and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. 9. Asparagus, 20 calories per 100 grams. Asparagus is a delicious spring vegetable that can be prepared in a multitude of ways. Try roasting it with a bit of olive oil and lemon. Recipe: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Toss 1 pound of trimmed asparagus with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of 1/2 a lemon, salt, and pepper. Roast for 10-15 minutes until tender and slightly brown. Serve with grilled salmon and quinoa for a well-rounded meal. 10. Zucchini, 17 calories per 100 grams. Zucchini can be used in both raw and cooked dishes. For a fresh meal, prepare zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. Recipe: use a spiralizer to create noodles from 2 medium zucchinis. Heat 1/2 cup of marinara sauce in a pan with 1 minced garlic clove. Sauté the zucchini noodles for 2-3 minutes and mix with the sauce. Top with grated mozzarella cheese and fresh basil. 11. Green beans, 31 calories per 100 grams. Green beans are a crunchy, low-calorie snack that pairs well with various seasonings. Try this lemon garlic roasted green bean side dish. Recipe: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Toss 1 pound of green beans with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, and the zest of 1 lemon. Roast for 15-20 minutes until crispy and fragrant. Squeeze the juice of the lemon over the beans before serving. 12. Lettuce, 5 calories per 100 grams. Lettuce is the ultimate low-calorie leafy green. Create a filling lettuce wrap with lean proteins and fresh veggies. Recipe: wash and dry 4 large leaves of your favorite type of lettuce. Fill each leaf with cooked, shredded chicken breast, sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Drizzle with a low-calorie dressing like Greek yogurt mixed with lemon juice and a dash of honey. 13. Tomatoes, 18 calories per 100 grams. Tomatoes are versatile and can be used in countless dishes. For a quick and easy meal, make a caprese salad. Recipe: slice 2 large tomatoes and 1/2 a cucumber. Layer the slices with fresh mozzarella cheese and basil leaves. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Season with salt and pepper. In conclusion, incorporating these 13 extreme low-calorie vegetables into your meal planning can significantly reduce your overall calorie intake while still providing you with a variety of flavors and textures. Remember, portion control is key, and these vegetables can be enjoyed in various ways, from snacks to full meals. Additionally, pairing them with lean proteins and whole grains will ensure you're consuming a well-rounded, nutritious diet. Bon appétit!